how to keep an awareness focused during the Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga practice. There is a teaching called Tristhana in the Ashtanga tradition. Tri means number 3. Ashtana means place. So Tristhana, 3 places to focus on. First place to focus on is the breath. From the beginning of the practice till the end of the practice, we are connected with the breath. Our awareness is connected with the breath. And in the Ashtanga tradition, we use Ujjayi breath, Ujjayi pranayama, the ocean wave-like sound of the breath, to keep our awareness always constantly listening to the sound of our own breath. We are practicing the pranayama together with the asana practice as well. The second place to keep our focus is called Drishti. Drishti means eye-gazing point. In each asanas and postures, there is a Drishti. And instead of looking around the random spots or looking at the different spots, each posture has a specific point to look at. For example, in Tadasana at the mountain pose, we are looking at the extension line of the tip of the nose. So Drishti point, eye-gazing point is at the nose, Nasagrayi Drishti. At the warrior 1 pose, when we look towards the hand, then Drishti moves up towards the hands. Same for the warrior 2 pose, we are gazing over the hands. Sometimes the Drishti move upwards, Urva Drishti. Sometimes Drishti is at the third eye center, third eye Drishti, Ajna Chakra Drishti, and so on. The third point to focus is Bandha. Bandha means energy locks. During the practice of Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga sequence, we ideally remember to lift the Mula Bandha, the root lock, lifting of the pelvic floor muscles, and the Uddiyana Bandha, flying upward energy lock by toning the lower abdomen in towards the spine. These bandhas not only just help to bring the asanas into a proper alignment, but also these bandhas help to move the energy upward from the root up through the Sushumna Nadi, the central energy channels, towards the crown of the head. So remember this teaching of Tristhana. Breath, Drishti, the eye-gazing point, and the Bandha, energy locks. As Guruji said, 99% practice, 1% theory. So see you on the yoga mat.